Methods to stop water pollution. The administration and the citizens have to collectively work to solve the problem of water pollution. Conserve water by turning off the tap when running water is not necessary. This helps prevent water shortages and reduces the amount of contaminated water that needs treatment. Be careful about what you throw down your sink or toilet. Don't throw paints, oils, or other forms of litter down the drain. Use environment-friendly household products such as washing powder, household cleaning agents, and toiletries. Take great care not to overuse pesticides and fertilizers. This will prevent runoffs of the material into nearby water sources. By growing more plants in your garden, you are preventing fertilizers, pesticides, and contaminated water from running off into nearby water sources. No more. A famous folk song of Rajasthan is "Momakhya phula syu ras ro ek कण चुग र शहद रो ढेर लगा सके हैं तो के महे मानस बदला रहे बरसते रस ने नी सहेज सका." It means, if honeybees can collect honey from the juice of flowers, then why can't we conserve water from rainfall? This song helped the people of Rajasthan learn about water conservation. Water conservation includes all the policies, strategies, and activities initiated to sustainably manage the natural sources of fresh water, to protect the hydrosphere, and to meet the current and future human demands. Population, household size, and growth and affluence all affect the use of water. Factors such as climate change have increased pressure on natural water resources, especially in manufacturing and agricultural irrigation. Many US cities have already implemented policies aimed at water conservation with much success. The goals of water conservation efforts include ensuring availability of water for future generations, where the withdrawal of fresh water from an ecosystem does not exceed its natural replacement rate. Energy conservation, as water pumping, delivery, and wastewater treatment facilities consume a significant amount of energy. In some regions of the world, over 15% of the total electricity consumption is devoted to water management. Habitat conservation, where minimizing human consumption of water helps to preserve freshwater habitats for local wildlife and migrating birds. Conventional water conservation techniques. Various methods have been used for a long time to conserve water. In earlier times in Rajasthan, kings had contributed a lot in water conservation. In various places, many lakes, ponds, wells, and step wells were constructed for the public. These conventional water sources have helped in conserving water. Rising level of underground water for irrigation and public use. 22nd March is celebrated as the World Water Day every year. New methods of water conservation are being used, like construction of dams and canals, drip irrigation techniques, rainwater harvesting in low rainfall areas. In this technique, rainwater is collected and stored in tanks. Water is the most critical resource issue of our lifetime and our children's lifetime. The health of our water bodies is the principal measure of how we live on the land. Life on the earth cannot exist without water. We need your helping hand to save water, sky, and land.